My name is Farah and I'm from Libya.
My name is Sean and I'm from Malaysia.
I'm from Mongolia.
Palestine.
Ecuador.
Montenegro.
Italy.
Turkey.
Zimbabwe.
Russia.
I'm from China.
I'm from the Philippines.
I speak Swahili, Hindi and Gujarati.
English and Igbo.
Spanish.
Welsh.
And Russian.
Malay, Hokkien, and Korean.
Tagalog, English, and Portuguese.
French, Italian, Montenegrin, Serbian, Croatian, Bosnian.
Arabic.
Somali.
Welcome to Swansea.
Croeso i Abertawe.
Welcome.
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 Welcome to Swansea. I was gonna say in English.
أهلا فيكم على Swansea.
Karibuni Swansea.
Swansea تفتمر.
Dobrodošli u Swansea.
No na Swansea.
欢迎来到斯旺西。
Swansea, hoş geldiniz.
Bienvenida Swansea.
Toktambirai kuno ku Swansea.
Benvenuti a Swansea.
به سوانزی خوش آمدید.
Добро пожаловать в Swansea.
Swansea kusordua.
Welcome to Swansea.
Welcome to Swansea.
Selamat datang ke Swansea.
In my language, which is Malay, we say it Selamat datang ke Swansea. Selamat datang ke Swansea. Yeah, that's good.
And in Mongolian, we say welcome to Swansea as Swansea تفتمر.
Okay, I'm from Montenegro. I'll try it. Swansea Teftemif.
تفتمث.
Swansea Teftemif.
تفتمث.
Swansea में आपका स्वागत है.
Can you break that
Yes.
up?
Croes.
O
E. Abertawe.
Abertawe. Okay. Croes i Abertawe.
Croeso.
Teftemif.
تفتمث.
Teftemif.
Am I pronouncing it right?
Yeah.
Karibuni.
Yeah, that's it. It's so easy.
Karibuni Swansea.
Yeah, there you go.
Teftemif. Swansea Teftemif.
Swansea تفتمث.
Okay, Swansea Teftemif.
Tabla, Borja, the White, Swansea. Yeah, oh, it's so difficult for me.
أهلاً وسهلاً بكم في something I can't remember.
Swansea.
Swansea. That's it,
There
yeah.
you go, she nailed it.
Yeah.